In this lesson, I will show you how to activate context sensitive shortcut menu and what you are going to get inside that shortcut menu. If you want to activate it, you have to right click in any area inside this graphic window, and this is the context sensitive shortcut menu. And top of it, you can see very small tiny toolbar. This is called context toolbar. This context toolbar contains some of the most commonly used commands in icon form. This context sensitive shortcut menu will be different based on your selection. Let's say if I select this as and right click here, you will see this is different. If I select on surface, if I select it, you will see this is different. If I select anywhere in the blank graphic window, right click here, you will see this is different. So this is completely depend on which object you are selecting. Based on that object, this context sensitive shortcut menu will change. Also, this menu will depend on part, assembly or drawing file. Let's say if I go to assembly file, now if I right click on this, you will see this is different. If I right click here, most of the option is similar with part, but there are some additional option is showing here. So that's why if you change from part to assembly, your context sensitive shortcut menu will change, as well as your context toolbar will change. If I right click here, you will see at the top this toolbar also different.